Hello viewers, good evening. First of all, I would like to thank you all for coming to watch my video. Today in this video, before the creation of this video, I did not prepare myself over what topic the video is going to be made. By the way, at the time of speaking or creating this vlog, I will definitely try my best to keep something special over which I can deliver my statements or my speeches. It would be better for me take if I take a story to be elaborated. So let's get started without delay. I don't know, it's going to be my first video. I don't know still how it is going to be. By the way, overall I will try my best effort or dedication by the help of which the video can be more effective and more charming and interesting, which will definitely be fascinated to each of you who are watching this video. So the video can be quite boring and the video can be full of boredom, as many as for a long time before the creation of this video, i I involved myself in creating videos more than 7 to 8 months ago, and after 7 or 8 months I am creating this video. So it is quite difficult for me to stand in front of a camera and saying my thoughts or whatever I have decided to speak. So let's get started without any delay or without wasting time. The story is going to be a okay. Let me give me a pause to think, because if I did not select a good story, then while speaking or while elaborating or while giving my speeches or while narrating the story, I can pause myself in the middle of the elaboration. So the story, okay, one story came into my mind. The name of the story is The Beauty and the Beast. The story is going to be over the story The Beauty and the Beast. Over The Beauty and the Beast story, this story was not written by anyone specific, and the story is a animation, and it was retold and written by various types of writers. Many writers many writers on their personal point of view or observation or perspective, they have written this story. The story begins like this: that a merchant had three daughters and all of them were very beautiful. The merchant had a youngest daughter whose name was Belle, and the elder daughters were very wicked and selfish. The merchant was wealthy, and the merchant has a lots of property and profit, and all attendants and servants for looking them after in every means or in times of need. One day something bad happened in the life of the merchant. The merchant lost all his wealth in a tempest on sea, for which the merchant had to live in a small farmhouse with his three daughters, and for living they had to work hard. And one day a messenger of the merchant came to him and told him, "Master, you know, one of his trading ship had come to the port, and don't you want to see the either if still contain anything of value for which it may be effective for your business or what you were doing before?" So the merchant decided to return to the city to discover something if the ship contained anything of value. Before leaving for the city or before leaving to the port, the merchant asked all of his daughters to bring all of his daughters that whether they want any gift or anything before leaving from the city after observing the ship. Then the elder daughters asked the merchant that they want fine clothes and dresses, but the youngest daughter, about which I have told you before, that the youngest daughter Belle was being pure at heart and quite good and quite very attractive in nature, good behavior. and the people where the merchant and the youngest daughter Bel lived love young love Bel very love Bel very much, because Bel has a attitude, positive attitude, and they Bel did not even talk anyone who were living in the domain of his father and rudely. So so Bel asked his her father, promise me that you will bring a rare rose that does not bring in the part of the country. Father agreed. What Father agreed to what Bel asked or demanded from him. Having agreed to her request, the merchant set out for the city, and going to the city, and after the arrival of the city by the merchant found that the ship for which he went there found that the ship has been seized by the one who gave the merchant once upon a time a small amount for which, and after the merchant lost all his wealth, the merchant was unable to pay him the amount which he had borrowed from that particular man. So the ship of the merchant was seized by that man, that person. Did I succeed in making you all understand what I am trying to say? If there is any statements or any lectures which were not understandable to any of you, then let me know in the comments box. I will try my best to make you all understand in simple words. So the merchant as did not find anything well while going there or after his departure, then the merchant decided to leave for his homeland. So he was dejected or in reached in the mode of or in the zone of discomfort. He was left with no money to buy any present for any of his daughters. The merchant was was the merchant decided to leave for his homeland, and while going towards his house or while going to his hometown, the merchant had to go through a forest, a dense forest, in which he was lost himself and seeking shelter. Keep it in your mind, I am telling that the merchant lost on his way in a forest, and in that forest the merchant, the time was night and the merchant was feeling sleepy. So he was seeking shelter on which he can spend the night comfortably. While seeking shelter, the merchant came across a dazzling palace. On that dazzling place, he went there and found that the palace was outstanding, and he saw that there are a lots of table on which foods were available on that place. It seemed to that merchant that the owner of the palace had been decorated everything for him, that the merchant would come and enjoy or satisfy himself or be contented himself after the enjoyment of all these type of foods. So the merchant did and ate all the foods and spent the night at the palace. And when in the morning the merchant was about to leave in the morning, sorry, I'm forgetting, sorry, take me a pause. The merchant in the morning, when he spent the night at the place very well and comfortably, in the morning he decided to leave to his hometown. He was leaving and suddenly found that a garden was in front of him. The garden was rose garden, and then immediately he recognized that his daughter Belle asked a rare rose, which does not bring in the part of this country. That's why that's why the entrance of the merchant was implemented to this garden, and going to the garden he was about to leave or about to pluck the rose. Immediately a hideous or dangerous beast, a ferocious beast is standing in front of the merchant and telling, you know, last night you were shelterless, you were comfortless, you were you didn't have anything to eat. I gave you food, I gave you shelter, and now you are taking away my most precious possession after accepting my hospitality. Do you want that I eat you, or I enjoy your blood, or enjoy your feet? It would be better for you. Let me know first, why are you going to do this? Then the merchant think that the beast is quite right, and he is telling me honest. He was then, as he didn't have anything, as the merchant didn't have anything, he told, or in reply, or what he said to what he was said by the beast, he exclaimed, or he what let me think he informed his opinion, or informed, or on the basis of what she had on his mind. He said that, you know, my daughter, whose name is Belle, he asked me for a rare rose, which does not bring in the part of my country. That's why I was taking away your rose. So don't mind, please forgive me. I will not do anything wrong afterwards. Then, sorry, let me finish till now, because the video is getting longer and longer. Definitely the second part of this story is about to come in my next video. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself. I am trying my best to improve myself, and want to make a habit standing in front of a camera, press, or media, which is, I think that everybody should to innate or possess this habit. If there is any mistake or any blunder created by me through this video, please let me know in the comments box. I will try my best to improve myself. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself. Meet you in the next video, or the second part of this video. Goodbye. Thank you for staying with me till the conclusion. Thank you.